So this is another example of a question you might see for permutations and combinations. From a pool of 14 candidates, the office of President, Vice President, Secretary, and Treasurer will be filled. In how many different ways can the offices be filled? Now when it says in how many different ways, that's going to be like the order, who's President, who's Vice President, who's Secretary, who's Treasurer. So in this one, order matters. So it's going to be a permutation. Position matters in permutations. Now you're going to use that same formula from the first video to plug it into the calculator. So you're using NPR. And you go to math and then over to probability and then down to number 2 to get that. But don't do that yet because first you have to plug in the N, which is the number you're choosing from. So there's a pool of 14 candidates. So N is 14. Now you're going to plug in the NPR. Then again, that's going to math, probability down to NPR. And then you're going to put the number that you're choosing. So you're choosing 4 because there's Secretary, Vice President, or President, Vice President, Secretary, and Treasurer. So you're going to put a 4 right there. And then when you plug that in, you should get 24,024. So that's the different ways the offices can be filled. And that's your answer.